Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to screen record with sound on iPhone iOS 18. So at first go to control menu, look here, not showing it to my screen recording option. Now I'm at screen recording option, to long press, click on to add to control and select screen record, select, then add screen recording option, okay, and then long press to screen recording option, then showing it to this option. Look here, my microphone is off, to long press microphone, then on my microphone, and then get start to recording, click on to start recording with my voice. So that's it, that's how we can do it.